How to pin videos on your TikTok profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply pin videos on the TikTok or your TikTok profile. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Play Store and search for TikTok if you are an Android application user, and once it is done, check or see if it's updated or not, because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of TikTok. Secondly, it applies to you as well. If you're an Apple user, just make sure it's updated. So finally, we'll move on to the main course, and that is how to pin videos to your TikTok profile. Open up the TikTok application. This is the kind of a page that would appear up, and simply you'll go into the right bottom corner where your profile is being shown. You're going to tap on it. That would eventually put you on your main profile page, in which you're going to see where your pictures or videos are. So once you go into your video, you see, you tap on these three dotted icon, and from there will be an option of pinning. So once you put down pin, automatically your video would be pinned, and eventually you see it would come here and would always be at number 1 because the video has been pinned, or you have pinned a video to your TikTok profile. This is how you do it. And if this video was informative and you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel, and even click that bell icon so that you can receive for notifications for further new videos like this. Lastly, if you guys have any query, just comment down below. I would love to answer. So take care. See you next time. Peace.